Well, good. Now we're ready to take our blank stock here that we've already routed out, set it on the table up against the miter guide. You want to check and look down here along the edge of it and make sure that this is in full contact with the table. It has to be real flat. That looks pretty good. Next step is going to be to go ahead and put this hardware on. I'm using 1/8" carriage screws with some washers and a wing nut. And that's because my particular miter guide for this saw is kind of limited back here. So I'm going to be adjusting mine from the front, and I'll show you that in a minute or two. But if yours just has holes and you have enough room back here to maneuver, you can use a wing nut. It's a little bit faster. We'll take the side. Remember, I marked that little, made that little mark at 3.5 inches earlier. We'll set this up with that mark facing towards the blade, and just stick the hardware in. And put a nice, put the large washer on first. Then the smaller washer. And then the wing nut. Now, like I said, my miter guide is a little bit strange. I don't have a whole lot of room back here, so I need to tilt this up just enough to get this wing nut started. And pretty close to tight, and we'll do that on both sides. And there we go. Now we have the blank attached, and we're ready to start making some measurements and some test cuts to make sure that we have 1/2 inch. So, if you can see that, that's what it looks like when it's set up. Now I'm going to back up a little bit and make a couple of test cuts using our old jig. So we're going to go ahead and do that now.